Water pooling under the lid or dripping down the sides? Fix it fast. Excess condensation or a leaking lid on your possible cooker usually comes down to setup or placement, not a bad seal. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check your lid fit. Make sure the glass lid is seated evenly on the rim of the pot. The lid should rest flat all the way around. Even a small tilt or misalignment can let steam collect and drip over the edge. Step 2. Avoid overfilling the pot. When ingredients or liquid reach too close to the rim, steam has nowhere to condense. Keep your food and liquid well below the rim so the lid can collect condensation and send it back into the pot. Step 3. Keep the vent hole clear. The small hole in the lid releases excess steam. Make sure it's not blocked by food, towels, or liners. If it's covered, steam pressure builds up and forces moisture out around the edges instead. Step 4. Manage surrounding humidity. Condensation under the lid is normal, especially with long cooks. If you see water pooling on the countertop, place a soft microfiber cloth beside the cooker to catch drips. I've linked the ones I use in the description. They're heat-safe and absorb moisture without slipping. Step 5. Dry and reset after long cooks. When cooking for several hours, lift the lid carefully with an oven glove, wipe away excess water from the rim, and reseat it gently. This keeps the seal clear and stops moisture from running down the sides. If steam leaks heavily or the lid doesn't sit flat even when clean, contact Ninja support using the link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you control the drips, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need soft microfiber cloths, I've linked the ones I use below. They're perfect for catching condensation and protecting your counter. Thanks for watching, and keep the steam in, not the puddles out.